So in this video, you'll learn how to allow apps to be pinned on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36, and A26. So pinning apps simply means that nobody will be able to exit that app. So if you want to give someone your phone, whether it's to play a game or message someone else, then by pinning this app, they won't be able to access any of the other data that's currently on your device, giving it an extra layer of security. So the first step when it comes to enabling apps so that they can be pinned is to simply open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and select Security and Privacy, and then look for the option More Security Settings and tap on it. Next, look for Allow Apps to be Pinned and select it, and then all you need to do is just tap on the to go like that and it will be enabled. And so now, whenever you want to pin an app, it's fairly simple. Start by launching the app. Say, for example, it's a game. And then once you've launched the app, you want to swipe up to view it in multi-view. And then once it's in multi-view, you want to tap on this app icon at the top and then select the option, Pin this app. Once you've done that, tap on OK, and now the app has been pinned. So you'll notice if you're using any gestures or navigation that you won't be able to actually exit the app. If you try to do anything else, it will not allow you to. So if it's a gaming app, it will still allow you to use any of the gaming options, but it won't actually actively allow you to exit the app, meaning that it's been pinned successfully. If you want to exit a pinned app, then it's fairly simple. All you need to do, if you're using gestures, is to swipe up and hold. If you have a home button, then long press on it until you've successfully exited the pinned app. So swipe up and hold, and then you can see app unpinned. Now you can swipe up again and you can exit the app. And so that's how you can allow apps to be pinned on your Galaxy A56, 36, or 26. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.